really don't want to leave you here. See you, Skylan. Hey, baby girl. I really don't want to leave you here. Oh, are you crying?
I'm pretty sure her eye is just watering.
Give me a kissy. Mwah.
Good.
Love you.
Let's go to church.
Love you. You going to church? Going to church. Okay. Love you.
Me and Skylan got the same shoes on.
You just stand there and don't move. We'll be back to get you later.
So stoked we are getting done. Bags packed to run the run today. We're really on our way. Feel like we'll soon explode. Got the good old party mode, okay? Soon we're on our way, yeah. And our friends join, it's hard, 'cause today's the day they all join. It's great. We're really on our way, yeah. Don't you bail.
It is Sunday, January 16th, 2018, and what is up with the frizz? 10:10 in the morning. I wanted to leave at 8:30 in the morning. That didn't happen. We're leaving North Carolina at 71 degrees. What? I'm looking at the temperature in the car. I'm like, what? 46 degrees. So I'm curious to see what the temperature is going to be in Virginia. We didn't get very far. About 20 minutes down the road. Little miss here was hungry. So it's like 10:54. We really haven't left the area we live in. But check out the mountains. Aren't they pretty even with the like gray sky? Skylan, would you like to hear the word of the day?
Oh, I look gross.
So, just stopped to get gas in Virginia because we were waiting till we, I was really on empty. But I wanted to wait to get in Virginia because they have cheaper gas. And this gas pump, first of all, freaked me out because as soon as I took the nozzle off the pump, the TV started talking, the screen. But anyway, so did a little advertisement, and then it said, your word of the day. And the word of the day is lissom. Do you know what lissom means? I've actually never heard it before, but it means limber or agile. That is your word of the day, lissom. Fascinating, huh? Exhilarating, she says.
I go anywhere with you, 'cause you fill my mind, or you fill my mind. We could build a dream, start up something new. Let the old be dead, let the shadows leave my head. When the world is on your shoulders and you feel like falling over, just come a little closer. I'll be there for you, I'll be there for you. 'Cause when we are together, I know you feel the tension. Just let me in your head so I can be there for you, there for you. The night is young.
So guys, we have found a mall. Yes, here in Richmond. We're at, Short Pump. Short Pump something. I don't know if it's Center or...
Wish that my hair was not dirty. So I could put it down because my ears are cold.
Anyway, I didn't realize it was going to be an outside mall. Freezing. Dana almost got ran over by a train, guys. I swear I almost got hit by that. This is really pretty here. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty.
with you by my side, with you by my side. Though we've only met, let me dive into your ocean with my heart open. When the world
It is 8:08. We were in Macy's for quite a while because it was the only thing that stayed open past 7. And now we're headed to the Cheesecake Factory. We're a little hungry. I don't remember if I like the bread.
I love bread.
Oh, really? You love rye bread?
I was like bread in general.
You didn't even put butter on it? Oh, okay. So, guys, check this out. Oh, very cherry chocolate cheesecake. Ooh, that sounds marvelous. We are going to get this factory burrito. Chicken, rice, onions, peppers, guacamole, sour cream, black beans, and we're just going to share it. In case you haven't been to a Cheesecake Factory, check out the inside of this building. Fancy smancy. And this, my friends, is why we are sharing. Look at how huge that is. Whoa. Except all the black beans are mine. You're not getting any. Did you drop like a whole fork full of food?
I don't know.
I think you dropped a whole thing of food. Where's the food? Where did it fall? Is it on the floor?
No, I think it's that.
Oh, it fell back in your plate? I hope so. I just noticed a hidden Mickey, Skylan, in their bread thing. Do you see the hidden Mickey? Oh my gosh. And tonight's stay is at the Wingate by Wyndham in a Short Pump like area of Richmond. Henrico, kind of the same area. All right, we're in. So let's do a little quick inspection. So far, good. No hair in the corner of the room. That's always nice. Let's see.
It's so nice to look.
What's nice? Skylan says something's nice.
Light?
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Okay.
So when
That light?
when your light is on at night,
Yeah.
you don't like get up to turn it off.
That's interesting.
Yeah, it's brilliant.
Okay. Quite roomy. Isn't it? Wow, all these extra chairs, a desk. We have a king because it was actually cheaper than 2 queens. So, okay. We'll look at
Water? It's water.
yeah, that's some kind of little water retention thing. All right. So you guys know what is coming next. And of course, this is a non-smoking room. So, what's next, Skylan?
Lysol.
Lysol.
I thought you were gonna spray me. I'm scared.
Ready? Ready? How does that work? Like, oh, to the side. Oh, I got it. I got it. You ready?
Mom, that's terrifying.
Okay.
my god. Mom, my hair's in the middle part. I look like an elf.
You look like an elf.
I look like the next door neighbor. I look like someone's grandpa.
Oh, that was a good shot of your ear. You know, guys, we called her little pixie or pixie elf when she was younger because one, she was bald and she was like 2. Okay, maybe until she was 1. She was like bald and her little ears stuck out on the her. Let's see your ears, honey. And she was so adorable. She looked just
like an alien.
Like, no, you looked like a little pixie. I'll see if I can find a picture to insert. But anyway, okay, let's Cheesecake Factory. So that was the only second time I'd ever been, and you've been once, second time? Tom and I went once, and it was weird because we both really liked the food, but did not like the cheesecake. Neither one of us liked our cheesecake, which was really odd because obviously they're known for their cheesecake. This time we shared a burrito, which was fine. It was nothing special about it other than it was a little bit spicier than we liked. Unfortunately, the black beans, which I love black beans, it was vinegar based. That was odd, and I don't like vinegar, so I couldn't even eat the black beans, and I'm always craving black beans. And what are you doing?
Moisturizing?
Moisturizing. And the cheesecake, talk about the cheesecake, Skylan.
I thought it was good.
Yeah, that cheesecake, that just tasted just like, what did you say it tasted like?
Those things.
Those things. Yeah, tasted just like those things.
The cherry thing.
Oh, the cordials, cherry cordials. They did. It tasted just like cherry cordials, and they had like actual chunks of cherries in there. It was really good. So I'm glad I gave the cheesecake another chance, and it could be only because it was Ghirardelli that it was actually good, but that's just the chocolate, so I don't know. All right, guys, it is 10 o'clock. I need to edit a vlog, and then we're going to bed because we have a college tour in the morning. You excited?
I actually am excited, but I'm not excited for the cold.
Yeah,
I better not.
we gotta walk around in the cold. But I think we came prepared. We'll see. All right.
I didn't. I forgot my hat.
Oh, you did forget your.
I
forgot my hat.
I don't own any gloves.
But I brought my thing that covers your ears. Don't come out. What's that called? What is that called?
Say something else.
What did you think I was gonna say? What did you think I was gonna say?
Just a hat of yours that I'm not a fan of.
Oh, my black hat. Is it like it's
God.
old lady hat, isn't it? It's like an old lady hat. All right, guys, we'll see ya. So Caroline sent this video of her dogs. And this one over here is a very small dog. I forgot which, 12 pounds I think she is.
You're playing?
So